September 6, Day 1, Night 2, featuring Universal Studios, Japan. From Shin-Imamiya Station, we rode a train via Osaka Loop line and alighted at Nishikujo Station to transfer to JR Yumesaki line. We only paid once for the whole train trip. After a total of around 30 minutes, we arrived at Universal City Station leading to Universal Studios, Japan. When taking pictures, it is better to put your umbrella down. First week of September is not yet a sweater weather, so do not wear long sleeves or warm clothes. Universal Studios Japan occupies 39 hectares, so if you want to maximize your visit, be early. It will also be helpful to know that USJ is divided into 9 zones, so for your easy reference, check the studio map. Oops, remember tip number 1. Like other amusement parks, USJ offers not just rides but also food stalls so you won't get hungry. Before we could enter the wizarding world of Harry Potter, we first walked through a forest-like trail which set the exciting vibe to Hogsmeade. With Harry Potter theme song playing over the whole area, one could really feel magical. Potterheads will definitely love this place. Aside from the rides, the place has an array of shops where one can buy Harry Potter souvenirs and accessories. To die-hard Potterheads who will visit USJ, ensure to bring extra money because you just might not prevent yourself from buying. After a few minutes of walking, we reached the Hogwarts Castle. Remember to take pictures with the castle while the sky is clear and bright. At night, we witnessed a 5-minute Harry Potter show which was a projection of lights and sound that brought life to the castle. After watching the light show, we continued exploring the area for around 1 hour until we made our exit around 8 o'clock in the evening. Spending a whole day in USJ is indeed a must when visiting Osaka. However, I do not advise allotting it on the first day of your itinerary. Also, to avoid large crowds, I advise going there during weekdays or non-holidays. Like what we did in the morning, we took a train going home but we first had dinner at one of the restaurants around Tsutenkaku Tower.
Uy, ma, ba't umalis ka?
May bakit? Video. Init na.
Ang laki ng